Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Quality sleep is often overlooked in today's fast-paced world, yet it plays a crucial role in our overall well-being. Lack of proper rest can lead to a myriad of health issues, affecting both our physical and mental health. The consequences of poor sleep are far-reaching, from increased stress levels to decreased cognitive function. It's no wonder that sleep disorders such as insomnia, anxiety, and depression are becoming increasingly prevalent in our society. Many of us struggle to unwind at the end of a long day, tossing and turning in bed, unable to drift off into a peaceful slumber. The constant buzz of technology, work-related stress, and other external factors can all contribute to our sleep woes. But fear not, for practical and natural solutions can help you reclaim your nights and wake up refreshed and rejuvenated. In this video, we will delve into the world of natural sleep remedies and relaxation techniques, exploring how simple changes to your routine and environment can make a world of difference in the quality of your sleep. Say goodbye to sleepless nights and groggy mornings as we uncover the secrets to a restful and restorative sleep. So if you're tired of counting sheep and ready to embrace a more peaceful sleep experience, this video is for you. Get ready to discover the power of natural remedies and relaxation techniques that will have you drifting off into dreamland in no time. Stay tuned for practical tips and tricks that will transform your bedtime routine and make you feel more energized and revitalized. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Natural sleep remedy that works instantly. Are you tired of tossing and turning in bed, unable to find that elusive state of deep sleep? Look no further as we introduce you to a powerful natural sleep remedy that provides instant relief and promotes a restful night's sleep like never before. Say hello to the magic of lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil has long been hailed for its calming and soothing properties, making it a popular choice for those seeking a natural solution to their sleep troubles. This fragrant oil is derived from the lavender plant, known for its beautiful purple flowers and distinct aroma. But beyond its pleasant scent, lavender essential oil boasts many benefits in improving sleep quality. Studies have shown that inhaling the scent of lavender essential oil can help reduce anxiety levels, lower heart rate, and promote relaxation, all of which are essential for falling asleep quickly and easily. By triggering the release of neurotransmitters that induce a state of calmness and tranquility, lavender essential oil works to quiet the mind and prepare the body for a restful night's sleep. But don't just take our word for it. Numerous scientific studies and personal experiences have highlighted the efficacy of lavender essential oil as a natural sleep aid. The benefits of incorporating this aromatic oil into your bedtime routine are undeniable, from improved sleep quality to reduced insomnia symptoms. So why not try it and experience the instant relief and deep sleep lavender essential oil offers? Say goodbye to sleepless nights and hello to a rejuvenated and refreshed morning, all thanks to the power of nature's remedy. Top 5 herbs for ultimate relaxation. Are you looking to unwind and achieve a state of ultimate relaxation? Look no further than these top 5 herbs known for their powerful relaxation properties and sleep-enhancing benefits. From calming the mind to soothing the body, these natural remedies will help you achieve a restful night's sleep and rejuvenation. 1. Chamomile. Known for its gentle and calming effects, it is a popular herb that promotes relaxation and reduces anxiety. Its mild, soothing properties make it ideal for winding down before bedtime. Valerian root. Valerian root is a potent herb that has been used for centuries to treat insomnia and promote deep sleep. Its sedative effects help relax the nervous system and improve sleep quality. 3. Passion flower. Passion flower is a beautiful herb known for reducing stress and anxiety. It works by increasing levels of gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, in the brain, promoting relaxation and improving sleep. 4. Lemon balm. Lemon balm is a fragrant herb often used to calm the mind and reduce restlessness. Its soothing properties make it a great addition to your bedtime routine for a peaceful night's sleep. 5. Lavender. Lavender is not just a pretty flower, it's also a powerful herb with relaxing properties. Its sweet aroma can help reduce stress and anxiety, making it a popular choice for promoting relaxation and improving sleep quality. To incorporate these herbs into your daily routine for maximum effectiveness, consider brewing them into a soothing tea, adding them to your bath for a relaxing soak, or using them in aromatherapy diffusers. However, it's important to note that some herbs may interact with certain medications or have contraindications for specific individuals. Hence, it's always best to consult a healthcare provider before incorporating them into your routine. Natural remedies for sleep. Are you struggling to get a good night's sleep? You're not alone. Fortunately, various natural remedies can help improve sleep quality and duration, allowing you to wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. From aromatherapy to relaxation techniques and dietary adjustments, there are plenty of options to explore in your quest for better sleep. Aromatherapy. Essential oils such as lavender, chamomile, and valerian can be diffused in your bedroom to create a calming and relaxing atmosphere conducive to sleep. Add a few drops to a diffuser or pillow spray to enjoy the soothing scents as you drift off to dreamland. Relaxation techniques. Deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, and meditation can help quiet the mind and relax the body before bedtime. Incorporating these techniques into your nightly routine can signal to your body that it's time to unwind and prepare for sleep. Dietary adjustments. Avoiding caffeine, heavy meals, and sugary snacks close to bedtime can help improve sleep quality. Instead, opt for sleep-friendly foods like warm milk, herbal teas, and light snacks that promote relaxation and digestion, creating a sleep-friendly environment. To make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary, keep it calm, dark, and quiet. Invest in comfortable bedding, block out any sources of light or noise, and consider using white noise machines or earplugs. Experiment and find what works for you. Everyone is different, so it's essential to experiment with other natural remedies to find what works best for you. Keep a sleep journal to track your progress, and note which remedies help you achieve a restful night's sleep. Remember, improving your sleep quality is a journey, so be patient and open to trying new techniques until you find the perfect formula for a good night's rest. Fall asleep fast in 5 minutes natural sleep aid techniques. Are you tired of lying awake in bed counting the minutes until sleep finally takes hold? Say goodbye to restless nights and hello to a quick and natural way to fall asleep within just 5 minutes. By incorporating simple techniques and practices into your bedtime routine, you can achieve a state of deep relaxation and drift off to dreamland in no time. Breathing exercises. One of the most effective ways to induce sleep quickly is through deep breathing exercises. By focusing on slow, deep breaths and practicing techniques like the 4-7-8 method. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, exhale for 8 seconds. You can calm your mind and body, reducing stress and promoting sleep onset. Progressive muscle relaxation. Progressive muscle relaxation involves tensing and relaxing each muscle group in your body, starting from your toes and working your way up to your head. This practice helps release tension and promotes physical and mental relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep quickly. Visualization. Guided imagery and visualization techniques can also be powerful tools for promoting quick sleep onset. By imagining yourself in a peaceful and serene setting, such as a tranquil beach or lush forest, you can create a mental escape that calms the mind and prepares you for sleep. The science behind it. These techniques activate the body's relaxation response, which helps lower heart rate, reduce muscle tension, and quiet the mind. All essential components for falling asleep quickly. By engaging in these practices consistently, you can train your body to enter a state of relaxation more quickly, making it easier to fall asleep within minutes. Consistent practice for optimal results. Like any skill, mastering the art of falling asleep quickly takes practice. Consistency is vital, so make these techniques a regular part of your bedtime routine to reap the full benefits. With dedication and patience, you'll soon find yourself drifting to sleep within minutes, enjoying a restful night's rest, and waking up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Unwind, fall asleep fast, soothing deep sleep. Cures for anxiety disorders, depression, and insomnia. Are you struggling to unwind, achieve deep sleep, and manage anxiety, depression, or insomnia? You're not alone. This comprehensive guide offers holistic approaches that address both the mental and physical aspects of sleep and mental health, providing the tools and techniques to take proactive steps toward better sleep and overall well-being. Lifestyle changes. Start by evaluating your daily habits and routines. Regular exercise, healthy eating, and a consistent sleep schedule support your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Limit screen time before bed. Create a calming bedtime routine, and prioritize relaxation to signal your body that it's time to unwind and prepare for sleep. Mindfulness practices. Practice mindfulness techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, and body scans to quiet the mind, reduce stress, and promote relaxation. By staying present in the moment and cultivating a sense of awareness, you can better manage anxiety, depression, and insomnia, allowing for a more restful night's sleep. Professional support options. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if you're struggling with persistent sleep issues, anxiety, depression, or other mental health concerns. Therapists, counselors, and healthcare providers can offer guidance, support, and treatment options tailored to your needs, helping you navigate challenges and improve your mental well-being. Empowerment and proactive steps. Remember, you have the power to take control of your sleep and mental health. By implementing lifestyle changes, practicing mindfulness, and seeking professional support, you can make significant strides towards better sleep quality, reduced anxiety, improved mood, and overall mental well-being. Empower yourself to prioritize self-care, listen to your body's needs, and advocate for your mental health. You deserve to feel rested, calm, and at peace. It's essential to reflect on the key points discussed and consider how you can take action to improve your sleep and mental well-being. By incorporating these simple yet effective practices into your daily routine, you can unlock the potential for a restful night's sleep, reduced anxiety, and improved overall health. From the calming properties of lavender essential oil to the relaxation-inducing effects of breathing exercises and mindfulness practices, we've uncovered a wealth of natural remedies that can help you achieve deep sleep and manage anxiety, depression, and insomnia. By tapping into the power of nature's remedies, you can experience the transformative benefits of improved sleep quality and mental well-being. Don't just watch, take action. We encourage you to try the suggested remedies and techniques in this video. Whether incorporating aromatherapy into your bedtime routine, practicing deep breathing exercises before sleep, or seeking professional support for mental health concerns, every step you take towards better sleep and mental well-being is in the right direction. Suppose you found this video helpful and informative. In that case, we invite you to engage with our channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing the video with others who may benefit from these natural sleep remedies and relaxation techniques. By joining our community, you'll stay updated on future content to support your journey towards better sleep, reduced stress, and enhanced mental health. Let's prioritize self-care, embrace natural solutions, and pave the way for a more restful and rejuvenating sleep experience.